Hello, my lovelies. Today I'm going to share with you my thoughts about a product that I bought about a month ago. It is the NYX Professional Makeup Powder Puff Lippie, and it comes in a 3-pack. So those are the 3 colors that it comes with. This one is Boys Tears. This one is Group Love, and this one is Prank Call. These are what the tops look like. I have been using them, switching out the colors every day so I can get a legit feel for them. So when you get them, the tops are white like you see at the very bottom, and you have to squeeze and like dab on your lips, like squeeze and then like try to get the color. That's one thing I like the color. I like the colors, actually, the 3-pack colors. I'll leave the link in the description box for this 3-pack if it's still available. So I like the colors. I like how they apply. I like how they look throughout the day. The only thing I don't like is how long it takes to get the color up and going. Like, I was sitting for a good almost 5 minutes just trying to get any sort of color to come out the top so I can try it. And like, I even checked their website and they said to squeeze the tube and apply it to the lip until the color starts showing and gets the desired look that you want, which is what I did for pretty much the other 2 colors that I tested. It still took way too long to get the product out. So as beautiful as these colors are, I personally don't think it's worth the effort just to get the product out of the tube. Like, if they had done some other kind of just a regular like lip color or some other way of doing this instead of a struggle of a squeeze to get the color up, it would be so much better. But for what it's worth, I don't think it's worth the struggle to get the product out. But that's my opinion. Let me know what you think down below, and until next time, have a wonderful day.